Plant FAQs, Aglaomorpha coronans. Aglaomorpha coronans, the crown jewel of ferns. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of stunning tropical ferns and focusing on the magnificent Aglaomorpha coronans. This fern isn't just another pretty face. It boasts unique characteristics and thrives with proper care. So, whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about the Aglaomorpha coronans. What is an Aglaomorpha coronans? The Aglaomorpha coronans is a captivating fern native to Southeast Asia, specifically ranging from Nepal to peninsular Malaysia. It belongs to the Polypodiaceae family, known for its diverse collection of ferns. The name itself holds a clue to its appearance. Coronans translates to crown-like, reflecting the fern's circular growth pattern that resembles a crown. Is Aglaomorpha coronans an epiphyte? Absolutely. Like many of its Aglaomorpha cousins, the Aglaomorpha coronans is an epiphyte. This means it grows on other plants, using them for support but not deriving nutrients from them. In their natural rainforest habitat, they often perch on the branches of large trees, basking in the dappled sunlight and the humid environment. How does Aglaomorpha coronans look? The Aglaomorpha coronans stands out with its stunning, glossy green leaves. These leaves are large and possess a classic, elongated shape. The crown-like formation adds another layer of visual interest, making it a truly eye-catching houseplant. What are its light needs? Unlike some ferns that prefer shade, the Aglaomorpha coronans enjoys bright, indirect light. It can even tolerate some direct sunlight, particularly in the morning hours. When considering placement, aim for a spot that receives good natural light, but isn't subjected to harsh afternoon sun. How should I water Aglaomorpha coronans? The Aglaomorpha coronans prefers consistent moisture, but doesn't appreciate soggy roots. Here's the key. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Allow excess water to drain freely, and avoid letting the plant sit in water. Does Aglaomorpha coronans need high humidity? Given its rainforest origins, the Aglaomorpha coronans thrives in a humid environment. If your home tends to be dry, consider using a humidifier or grouping your fern with other moisture-loving plants to create a mini-humid microclimate. How big does Aglaomorpha coronans get? The Aglaomorpha coronans is a relatively slow grower, making it a manageable choice for indoor spaces. With proper care, it can reach a mature size of around 2 to 3 feet in diameter. Is Aglaomorpha coronans easy to care for? The Aglaomorpha coronans is generally considered a low-maintenance plant. As long as you provide it with bright, indirect light, consistent moisture, and moderate humidity, it will reward you with lush, vibrant foliage. What are some common pests and diseases? While generally pest-resistant, the Aglaomorpha coronans can occasionally attract mealybugs or scale. Regularly inspect your plant and treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Fungal diseases due to overwatering are also a possibility. Ensure proper drainage and adjust your watering schedule if needed. Can I fertilize Aglaomorpha coronans? A light application of balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, can benefit your Aglaomorpha coronans. However, don't overdo it, as excessive fertilizer can harm the plant. Is Aglaomorpha coronans toxic to pets or children? The Aglaomorpha coronans is considered non-toxic to pets and children. However, it's always best to keep houseplants out of reach of curious mouths and paws to avoid any potential stomach upset. How does Aglaomorpha coronans compare to staghorn ferns? Both the Aglaomorpha coronans and staghorn ferns, Platycerium spp, are epiphytic ferns with stunning foliage. However, staghorn ferns boast shield-like fronds with forked tips, giving them a more dramatic look. Staghorn ferns also tend to prefer slightly shadier conditions than the Aglaomorpha coronans. Can I propagate Aglaomorpha coronans? Propagating the Aglaomorpha coronans can be a bit challenging, but not impossible. Spore propagation is the most common method, though it requires specific techniques and controlled environments. Where can I find one? Aglaomorpha coronans might not be readily available at all local nurseries. However, you can check online retailers specializing in unique houseplants or visit botanical gardens that might have them in their collections. Bonus, styling tips for your Aglaomorpha coronans. Here are some ideas to showcase your Aglaomorpha coronans. Mounted marvel. Embrace its epiphytic nature by mounting it on a driftwood piece or a corkboard. This creates a stunning vertical display and allows the fern's crown-like form to truly shine. Hanging elegance. Opt for a hanging basket to showcase the cascading effect of the leaves. This is perfect for adding a touch of greenery to a corner or a window with bright, indirect light. Terrarium treasure. If you have a terrarium with moderate to high humidity, the Aglaomorpha coronans can be a wonderful addition. Its vibrant green foliage will complement other shade-loving plants and create a miniature rainforest ecosystem. Final thoughts. The Aglaomorpha coronans is a truly special fern, offering a unique combination of beauty and relative ease of care. With its captivating crown-like form, glossy green leaves, and tolerance for lower humidity, it makes a fantastic addition to any indoor space. Remember, the key to success lies in providing the right balance of light, water, and humidity. By following these simple guidelines, you can watch your Aglaomorpha coronans thrive and bring a touch of the rainforest indoors.